Best Surge Protector Power Strip Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular surge protectors in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this power strip so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this surge protector. The one that made our list is the Bodotech Surge Protector Power Strip. It features overload protection against spikes and fluctuations. The intelligent circuitry with built-in voltage sensing detects and responds to your device's power needs. It comes with an extra long heavy-duty cord accredited by the FCC. The PC shell is fire resistant and the copper conductor is heat dissipating. This power strip has 10 generously spaced outlets for both standard and large adapters, plus 4 USB ports that supports fast, efficient charging for your devices. There are also rear mounting ports to easily secure this power strip onto walls, baseboards, and furniture. To check out the full specs of the Bodotech Surge Protector Power Strip and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/surgestrip. Here's a quick video of how easy it is to use. So there you have it, the Bodotech Surge Protector Power Strip. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the build, and its overall functionality, we feel that this surge protector is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Bodotech Surge Protector Power Strip and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/surgestrip. Alright, thank you for watching.